Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix control center if it is not showing in Poco C61 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then you have to simply click on apps. Here are see all 54 apps. Then you have to click on show system apps. Here you have to write system, and you have to click on Android system intelligent and just clear the cache of it. And similarly you have to do this with all other settings like Android system. Click on storage and cache and clear the cache like this, and just reboot your restart your smartphone. It will be 100% working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.